Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to create group on Facebook Lite. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Facebook Lite. Log into your account if you haven't. So log into your Facebook account. So once done, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on these lines here on your top right. You'll see three lines. Just click on it. And once you click on it, you'll see the screen here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to this groups option here. Click on groups. And then once you get to your groups option here, on your top right here, you will see a plus symbol there. So simply click on the plus symbol. So this will now start the process of creating a group. So what you can do, you can now name your group. So on the name tab here, type in any name for your group, and then you can add a picture here, profile picture to your group or a group picture. And then here the privacy, you can choose how you want the privacy, whether it's a public or private, whatever that is. So choose all this information, and then once you have done filling up all this information here, simply click on the create button and that will create a group for you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.